The next prompt is Imperious Rex, a product that will be eternally in your use or collection, and I pick the Black Panther by MAC lip color. And the reason why I pick a lip color is that I have lots of lip colors, so they will be eternally in use or in my collection. Lipsticks, liquid lips, any lipstick, I have a lot of those. Now, a prompt that I kept from the last 6 months is the most expensive product. That is my Yummy Skin 8 by Danessa Myricks. That is my most expensive product. The next prompt that I kept is a product you can finish up in a breeze, and it is my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Powder, and it is in shade 4 Deep. Next prompt is You Will Meet Your Ancestors, a product that is on the chopping block. Well, you have heard me talk about the Becca Under Eye Cream in the first 6 months. I don't get to use it much. I don't reach for it much, so that one is on my chopping block. You are gonna be noble like your brother or take care of business. A product that takes care of business. I picked the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Universal. The next prompt is a product I have a lot of. That is also a prompt from the first 6 months, and that is powders. I have a lot of powders. The one I picked to use between July through December is Brown Sugar Babe. It is Brown Sugar Babe Set and Tone Finishing Powder by The Lip Bar. This July to show you the new products that I picked. Hope to see you on the next one. If you are interested in joining, check out Accessorize Your Life on Instagram. Her name is Julia, and you can join us anytime. We'd love to have you. Thanks again for watching this video. Love you all very much. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.